Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Maamoul. It's so yummy, delicious and creamy. Let's start. First keep a bowl and 2 cups semolina. That's rava. And half cup ghee. Half cup ghee and mix it. Mix using your hands. And 1 cup sugar powder. 1 cup sugar powder. And 1 tablespoon yeast. 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch salt and half cup flour and mix it again. Then half cup milk and mix it. Mix it well and make like a dough. And then cover it using lamination paper. Lamination. And keep aside for 4 hours. After 4 hours, take it. And mix it. And do small balls. Make like a ball. And then keep aside. And take dates. Take out the seed and put into the grinder. Mixie jar. Then grind it. It should be like this. And take it, separate into a plate. And 1 tablespoon oil and mix it. It's also like a dough. And do small balls. There is 2 balls and do like this. And put it inside the ball and close it. And it's done. And then let's make shapes. Let's make shapes. It should be perfect. Don't forget to use lamination paper. Do everything like that, using different shapes. Do it everything differently. This is like a seashell. and another sisal. Another sisal. And all the shapes are ready. Bake for 220 Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, Maamoul is ready. It's so creamy and delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this video